Hello superstars, welcome kids to the Kiddies World, जहां learning होती है full on fun के साथ। आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक मजेदार और important grammar topic. Today we'll learn 3 little words, a, an, and the. They help us talk about people, places, and things every day. Let's begin our lesson. First, let's understand the use of a and an. We use a before words that start with a consonant sound, like a ball, a cat, a pencil. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound. That's A, E, I, O, U. Like an apple, an egg, an owl. Remember, A for consonants, and for vowels. Got it? Great! Now it's your turn. Listen carefully and fill in the blanks with a or an. My brother is dash Indian. Indian starts with an I, a vowel sound, so the answer is an Indian. My father is dash doctor. Doctor starts with D, a consonant sound, so we say a doctor. I take dash bus to school every day. Bus starts with B. That's a consonant, so we say a bus. My grandmother has dash oven to bake cookies. Oven starts with O, a vowel, so we say an oven. Look at these 2 sentences. I saw an ostrich at a zoo. I saw the ostrich at the zoo. In the first sentence, a and an are used when we talk about something for the first time. But in the second sentence, we use the because we are talking about a specific ostrich and a specific zoo. Now, here's something cool about the. Use the when something is only one of its kind. And use the with names of famous places, books, rivers, newspapers, and more. The Holy Bible is a religious book. The sun rises in the east. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders. Indians have many legends about the moon. Wow, all of these are special and unique, so we use the. Activity time. Let's do this activity together. Let's help fill in these blanks using the correct word. A, and, the. Eating dash apple a day keeps dash doctor away. Apple starts with a vowel, so we say an apple. Doctor starts with a consonant, so we say a doctor. Correct sentence. Eating an apple a day keeps a doctor away. New Delhi is dash capital of India. We're talking about a specific capital. Correct sentence. New Delhi is the capital of India. My sister did not like dash book I asked her to read. It's one particular book. Correct sentence. My sister did not like the book I asked her to read. Yesterday was dash holiday. It's any holiday, not a special one. Correct sentence. Yesterday was a holiday. Dash Ganges is the longest river in India. A special river, one of a kind. Correct sentence. The Ganges is the longest river in India. It took us dash hour to reach the hill station. Hour starts with a vowel sound. H is silent. Correct sentence. It took us an hour to reach the hill station. Great job, बच्चों! आज की learning journey थी full on fun. Like करना ना भूलो and subscribe करो Kiddies World को, जहां हर वीडियो में होती है learning और मस्ती. मिलते हैं next time एक और awesome topic के साथ. Bye bye बच्चों! सीखते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो.